What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe so that way you don't miss out on easy money plays that we're calling just like this one here. So I alerted y'all and told y'all exactly what was about to take place with vechain. It played out perfectly. If you watch this video right here on my channel that I dropped on the 1st, it's this video here. It says vechain, stay ready. You see the title up here in the top left corner, vechain, stay ready so you don't have to get ready. I called in this video that the price will pull back around to that 52-ish level. We seen it pull back slightly, just a little bit more than that level, but it's very important to subscribe because you want to be able to get this information first. You don't want to have this information after everybody else in the market is reacting to it already, because then you're technically chasing green candles, and that's one of the deadly sins to investing. So looking at the vechain chart right here, let me scroll up so y'all can see this. Okay, so we can see that the price pulled back. Just like I said, it will pull back to this lower Bollinger Band. You know, I always say give or take a little bit. The price wicked down a little further beyond the Bollinger Band just to try to shake out those weak hands, people that might have got afraid. They panic sold right there. But I told y'all smart money would be buying once the price touched this lower Bollinger Band. We seen it touch the lower Bollinger Band, get bought right back up. And then we trade right into here where we seen the price break out and go absolutely crazy. So right now, vechain is up 20%. We seen it go up earlier around, let's take a look. So at its high, it looks like it was up around 50, I'll just say around 55%. So, you know, you don't want to miss what's going on. I try to keep y'all updated. You know, when I make these videos and tell y'all, you know, connect the dots, that really means it's time to connect the dots. All those that paid attention and took action before, you know, we all seen some nice gains on our money. You were able to do whatever you wanted to do, whether it was take profit or, you know, just, you know, marvel in the gains and, you know, just hold more. But let's go through the vechain page just to get some updates on what's going on today. Oh, major announcement, but if y'all are already subscribed to the channel, I told y'all this already, but vechain is getting added to gate.io. But the big thing about this is now we have the official date. Trading goes live on September 9th at 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that would be around, what is that, here, like 9 a.m. In Vegas. So vechain says, when you see the gate getting voted right after you sold. So yeah, I definitely feel bad for a lot of people. You know, I had a couple people in the comment section saying, you know, nothing's happening with vote, you know, what's going on, and now what? You know what I'm saying? I don't mean to, you know, rub it in, but, you know, I try to tell y'all have to be patient. If you think you're going to get rich over the weekend, it doesn't work like that. You know, you got to have time in the market versus trying to time the market. Toshi says, the world is about to find out what high voltage really is. So I'm excited to see that we're added to more exchanges. Why that's a big deal is because, you know, we get in front of more potential buyers. You know, they have a large community already that use their exchange. So now their exchange will be promoting that, you know, vechain is now available, you know, for trading on September 9th. So that's going to be very bullish. So, you know, we can expect another pump around that time as well. So I'm excited long term for what we have in store with Volt. So don't aim to change your life, aim to vote it. And to be honest, y'all, I really think this is the beginning with Volt. You know, we got the community, we got the development, you know, and the marketing. So, you know, those are really three key things that we need. You know, we're developing more and more utility each day. We got Volti change coming up. Very bullish right there. The VDSCs, I just seen one right here. Shout out to Believes. Crypto said vechain NFT sells for 6.5 ETH. Very bullish right there. Vatoshi also says, when nobody is expecting you anymore, it's time to vote. I told y'all that even though things are getting kind of quiet, things are getting, you know, it can get kind of boring sometimes. That's the calm before the storm. So we also got an update. Take a look here at the buses. If you missed out on this, we got over 60, I believe 60 buses in LA that are all wrapped vechain, just like this that you see here. And the good thing about it is that these will last for 6 months. So that's half of the year, or half of a year time span where people will continuously see this over and over, especially people who are taking these buses on their everyday routes. They're eventually going to search and say, what is vechain? I have to look this up. They got the crypto.com arena out there. So already LA is, adopting crypto at a faster pace, than a lot of places in the States. So it's really looking bullish for vechain. I'm very excited. But there's still a long-term journey, don't get shaken out. Don't be, do what's best for you. It's not financial advice, crypto market is highly volatile, gotta say that. But I just try to let y'all know, don't let the fear shake you out of the market. It's called FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Some people may sell because they're fearful, they are expecting everything to go bad. Some people may sell because they're uncertain whether the conditions in the market will push things up or down. And some people may have doubt that the market will get better, so they might sell because of that. So, don't get caught up in any of those things, man. It's a lot of emotions when it comes to investing, but, you want to keep a level head, always do your due diligence, understand what you're investing in, so that way you're prepared to hold it through the long term. But a victory without a fight does not go down in history. So also, this is exactly what makes Volt Army so much. Every individual, every artist, everyone brings voltage. So shout out to Crypto Nyan for life for this new song. So update, shout out to the Volt Army for helping me run these numbers up. If you haven't heard my Volt song, it's on all platforms. Road to 500. Once again, big thanks to vechain for sharing the song I made for the Volt Army. So shout out to Amar Kadish making a song. We're going to have to check that out later on, man. But that's all we got for this update. I just want to let y'all know that vechain is smoking right now. We are seeing a pullback right now. So, if you missed the, boat, you might get a chance to, this is an opportunity possibly, before things take off. It can continue to push from here, but there also is likely a chance that the price could pull back to this mid Bollinger Band around the 6681 level. So that's possible. If you're looking for a pullback level, that's where we may see. But, this could be the pullback here that we're seeing. And let's see. It doesn't really line up with any of our previous supports or resistances. So, and the RSI still has room to go up. The MACD is just crossing over, so that's likely, people may still come join the party. All those that were late to the party that, want to invest that didn't get a chance to, they may come jump in this to take the price even further. So keep that in mind as well. But it's looking very bullish, man. I think we'll definitely be eating a zero in the next few days by the time we get that gate.io listing. It's not financial advice. It might not happen, but I think it's bullish enough to make it happen, especially once we see the floodgates opened up and more investors come in. But that's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and we are out.